Hi friends, it's Amber. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I have an update for you today and I'll try to make it quick. So if you've watched my channel for any length of time, you know that this time of year I'm usually really deep into my craft fair series. And earlier this year during my Christmas in July series, I announced that the craft fair series would be starting beginning of September. Well, now that obviously we're in the beginning of October, that didn't happen. So, you can plan for things, but sometimes life gets in the way. And in my case, life and work got in the way. I never like to give up on my craft fair series ever because it's my absolute favorite thing. So I do still plan on doing a mini craft fair series, and it just might be a little bit different this year. I do plan on going back to having the craft fair series being earlier in the season, that's for sure. However, this year I really enjoyed my fall craft series. It was so much fun and I loved it. So I will find a way to implement both next year. The other thing I wanted to update you on was my Christmas journal collection. I'm still going to be offering them in my Etsy shop. They are pretty much complete and I need to take photos and I'm going to be offering them. And that was supposed to be October 1st and that's going to be pushed as well. I figure we have plenty of time to get those listed and for you to get them for your Christmas journaling. So I will update you on that when I know a better date, but it's not going to be too much longer. Like I said, plans sometimes don't work out, but I'll definitely update you on those and let you know when they're going to be available in my Etsy shop. So in this video, because my craft fair series is so late, I am sharing multiple craft fair ideas that I've done full tutorials on. If you missed my craft fair last year, or if you just need a refresher, I'm going to add some clips here and show you over 12. I think there's 13 or 14 craft fair ideas here. And the good news is I am going to link the video tutorial that I did for each of these ideas. They're so much fun. But before that, I wanted to mention that I still have some autumn kits left in my shop. And these are more than kits. These are bundles. I plan on using mine for a November gratitude, a November daily. And we are not near done with fall. It is just October. And it's perfect time to use all the beautiful fall things. So I still have a few of these left in my shop and I really think you should run over and try to snag one. You can use it for so many things. And I also have the really fun, whimsical Halloween kits left in my shop. So there's just a few left of these as well. And let me tell you, these are jam-packed full of so many premium scrapbook things, and these can be used for your October daily. You can use this for that. Plus there'll be so many things left over. This thing is so packed. And I just want to thank those of you who have already purchased some of these bundles. Oh my goodness. It has been such a fun time packing the Etsy orders up, but they're all packed, ready to go, ready to ship. And some fun freebies are in there. So I hope that you'll head over. And then I wanted to tell you, I have 2 brand new listings in my shop. The first one is a deluxe Halloween napkin decoupage bundle, and you get so many extras with this, the Mod Podge and the little paint brush thing. And this is such a great napkin kit, so many wonderful images, and you know that you can make so many things with these. I include all these extras, the tags and the little bags, so that is in there. And then I've also added a really fun value Halloween napkin grab bag. So I hope that you'll go check out my Etsy shop for still some really fun fall and Halloween things. And now let's go ahead and get into the craft fair ideas. Thank you so much, friends.